We live? Oh yeah, we live and direct. Okay. Take y'all on this tire change job real quick. This is gonna be when I say very, it's gonna be very quick. As you can see, that's the flat tire right here. It's the front passenger tire. It ain't gonna take me long to knock this out at all. It is my first tire job today, so you know how that go. We're gonna start from scratch with the air. Don't say nothing about that bad right now. Let's crank this thing up, man. This the tire we putting on. Now that joke will look good, boy. Gonna jack this baby up. And I like it when if you hear me, I got music playing in my ears, so you might hear me singing and rapping. Don't think I'm crazy out here. Again, it's my first job. So we're gonna oil up our impact wrench. Get a little F2 oil going through there. Let's get it. Cycle this oil through here real quick. Let's go. Oh yeah. You see that wire? Sheesh. I'm gonna give you a tip if you ain't know you out here changing tires. Get you like a metal rug or something to lay these wheels on. I know that one got a little hole on it, but don't worry about that. Just gonna knock this out, man. Turn this air compressor off, it's kind of loud. I won't need it anymore. But I will need my ignorant stick. My slide bar. Of course, I'm gonna need that soap water. Mm-hmm. Oh, that said you ready. Another pro tip for you. Most car tires, most passenger vehicles, cars, SUVs, pickup trucks, they all come off on this front side. Most of them. You'll get very few that come off on the back side. You know what time it is with these bars. It don't get no better. Look at that lube, boy. Look at the consistency of it. That perfect lube. I'm gonna rub some of that off though. Oh, come on. Let's go. Remember what I told you, we're gonna look and make sure this ain't no directional tire, which it is, because that say it goes on the inside. We're gonna flip that around. Let me roll that wheel down real quick. Make sure I get that lube off. It done got a little cold out here this afternoon. NASCAR, is you ready? Let's see what y'all got. My favorite part, if you know anything about me, you've been paying attention, you know I love to air up them tires. You're gonna have it pop on the back side, then it's gonna pop on this front side. Did the front side first, back side last. I was out of order, but you know how that go. And we out of here.